Did you throw up?
And I have the evening nausea still.
Do you? Yeah, I still have it too. It like will hit me about 5.
And I always think, am I hungry? Should I eat more? Should I drink something? Is that gonna make it go away?
Yeah. And you're thinking no.
And now the heartburn's starting a little bit.
Oh no, I heard that's awful. I haven't had that yet.
Yeah.
So, which is good.
Did you tell your work?
Tomorrow. I just want to make sure everything's good before I tell them.
How have you been like hiding everything? That must be hard.
It's hard. My boobs are like doubled.
You're like, and they all look at you so carefully because you're on TV, so they're like, what's going on with her?
Yeah. I'm just gaining weight. I'm getting fat.
Normal heartbeat. Sounds good.
That's awesome.
Part of the reason why it sounds a little weird is you hear part of your heartbeat and you hear that baby's heartbeat.
But it sounds strong to you?
Mhm.
Okay.